Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright, so the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. Alright guys, 80% recurring income. So if you're an affiliate marketer, this is the product to promote, guys. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is look at our results here, guys. And it looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page because I want you guys to understand that these are real results. Alright, so we're going to refresh. Alright, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not really the biggest deal in the world. It's all about consistency and getting it started. You know what I mean? Started making money. You start getting sales, you're starting to feel better about how to do this and understanding like what you need to do. Kind of take yourself to the next level of making money online, and consistency is like the biggest role when it comes to making money online, guys. Consistency is the biggest like factor in it. But anyway, what we need to do now is get our links to this product, guys. Now this is the link that I personally use. I want to make sure I highlight that. Make sure you got, if y'all guys want to copy me exactly, this is the link that I personally use before we leave this page here. Now the first thing I want to do is get you to these links, right? So what you want to do is go to my description. There's going to be a link down there, say incomespeech.com. You click on it, it's going to take you to this page right here. Now what this page right here is the $25 business sales letter. It talks about what it is, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, right? So you can make up to $120 off of each customer with this. You get 10 people, that's at least rent money pretty much anywhere, right? And what's cool about the product and what it is, essentially, it's a funnel builder. Now if you use ClickFunnels, now if you have built funnels before, you know what a funnel builder is. Use ClickFunnels. It's pretty easy to kind of understand how to do stuff in it as well. You'll learn real quickly. There's videos about absolutely how to do everything in the system, like video about how to make a regular account. Like there's videos about absolutely everything in this. That's the best part about it. They also get a charity if you're interested in that as well. They do that as well, and if you're interested, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, you can look through here. It's a very long thing. It talks about a whole lot of stuff here, and if you're interested in it, you just click on yes I want in. It'll take you to this page here, or you can just put in your information here and get it started, right? And get the product there. $25, guys. That means you get $20 for every person in the system, right? Now one more product I want to mention here that you can get for free if you use my link, guys, and that's HBA Premium. That's going to teach you how to get traffic conversions. Basically it's going to teach you how to get sales for affiliate marketing in general. Mainly this product, but in general, like if you want to promote something else, it's totally fine. It teach you how to do that as well, and it teach you what exactly to post and stuff, like on Facebook, TikTok, and stuff like that. And basically what to do to get a bunch of sales. And the coolest thing about it is that it's constantly updated based on rules and stuff be changing, or they might find a better way to promote something or anything like that. And it got a ton of reasons, ways to promote it, you know what I mean? So if you're interested in that, make sure to check that out. Also, one more thing, you have an AI content creation machine. It gives you like post ideas and stuff like that. Blogs help you with articles, whatever it may be. It helps with AI. AI helps write it. All right, guys, that's really cool and stuff like that. Now you just try that out, and the absolute best part about this is that with this product here, it's $125, as you can see. If you get a sale with this product, you keep the $100. That'd be 80%. Once again, you keep that $80. You keep that $100 if you get sales in this. So if you get sales, you get about 2 sales in this within 14 days, guys. That pays for this product, so you can go ahead and get the product, keep the product as well, and you won't have to, like, you see what I'm saying? You get you started really quickly. But anyway, You get paid every week, by the way. You get paid every week, which is really cool. All right, so now we need a way to promote this product, and what I'm gonna do is show you guys the absolute easiest way to promote this product. I wouldn't say the most effective way. I think the most effective way would be to create social content with your face. I think that's the most effective way to get sales. But this is the easiest way by far. You don't have to make videos. You don't need your face in the camera or anything like that. You really don't need to do much at all. And that's if you click on my second link down there, it's gonna take you to this page here. And this is my lead gen secrets. Now what my lead gen secrets is, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. So for example, you try this product, you'll have 100 leads. And then once you get in the next day, you'll have 200 leads you can email. Doing something like that. So you just click on mailing system once you get in the system here. You just go ahead and go down and select all. Now we're gonna use an email here that ChatGPT has helped us write. All right, we got a ton of emails in here now. It's really cool. Now, I'm trying to think of what I want to post here. Let's go with let's go with this last one. We're gonna load this one in. You can copy that, guys, if you want to. Very simple email. Very simple email ChatGPT that's written for me, guys. Very easy. And that's all there is to it. So you can pause and copy that email there, guys. And what we're gonna do is get thinking about pin my at the end. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick my face. Take off the bold there. You know what? I'm gonna get my face here. Let's load up an email that got my face on it. I'm gonna copy it. Oh, this got my face. I got my face on it. Uh-oh. Hold up for a second. Sorry, guys. Give me a second to find one with my face on it. Listen. Yeah. All right. All right, guys. Gotta copy this. I'm gonna load up the email that we had of him before. Down here. Load that up because it's the last one that got to disappear, so I figured I'd use it. Now we just gonna put it in face. Something like that. And oh, that. All right, we take that out. We gotta put in. Sorry about that. Messed up. Right? Put in an image. Boom. I'm gonna put about 165. Boom. And that's really cool. And that's our email right there, guys. Real simple. Make sure to hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check emails. You know what I mean? Make sure to hit the preview and make sure your link works, guys. Boom. As you can see, it's a very short email. Those are the ones I go for if you were writing them yourselves, guys. Make sure the email is short. Don't do no super long email. They don't tend to work that well. Short emails work a whole lot better. Hit the those, and then you send the email. I put a picture. I think that works better. You don't have to. We send the email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple. And like I said before, consistency is the way to go. Now, if you really want to amplify this and really take it to the next level, what I would suggest is to make YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and TikToks. You make the short video and you post it on those 3 sites. All right. And I say you do it around about 3 times per day. I think that's really perfect. And then you kind of focus on the one that kind of doing better than the others. Because for some people, TikTok works best. For other people's, Instagram works best. And so other people, YouTube works best. Whichever one is working best, that's the one you go for. And you just keep posting, guys. I post on all 3 all the time. There's no real reason. Because you ain't spending that much more time doing it. Like, for example, here's the reason why I say make 3. Because making 1 video probably takes you about 15-20 minutes. Making 2 videos probably gonna take you about 25 minutes. Making three videos probably gonna take you about 30 minutes. You see what I'm saying? It's more amplified. It's shortened because everything's already up and set up for you. You know what I mean? So you might as well go and make 3 and figure out some. Don't worry about how clear your videos are or anything like that, or if you got the best post, the best quotes, and all that stuff, all that editing and stuff that you see in a whole lot of other shorts and stuff. Don't worry about all of that. Just post, post, post. Consistency, man. Post, post, post. That's how you make a ton of money. All right, guys. So follow that, and then we'll see you guys next time. Peace.